I'm Angela with Angela Wolf Video, and today we are talking about Google Meet breakout rooms. Can you do a breakout room with the new Google Meet? Short answer, nope, you can't, unfortunately. Longer answer is you can if you have multiple Google accounts. And what you're going to want to do is have your main Google account create the main room where you invite everybody to that one room. That's the only link you want to hand out. Then from there, you're going to be making smaller subsequent chat meetings. But for each meeting you're hosting, you need to host it with a new account. So you're going to have multiple Google accounts who are admins to be able to pull this off. Once you start all the other Google meetings with, just label them like Breakout 1, Breakout 2. Don't send those links out to anyone. Make everyone go to that first main room, and then within that room, you can hand out, this is Breakout 1, this is Breakout 2, so for people to click and join in through that. It's kind of a weird roundabout way to do this. I haven't tested it myself, so I'm not really sure how well it works. So if you're really, really stuck, you can try that. But honestly, I think there are a lot better programs if you're looking to do breakouts. If you're just looking for one simple, large video conference meeting, Google Meet is great for that. But otherwise, breakout rooms, you should probably try something else. So that is our advice on breakout rooms.